Hi everyone, my name is Arpita and I am a researcher, artist, and filmmaker living in Los Angeles, California. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a time lapse for your art projects. This video will cover what kind of equipment I use, how to shoot on your phone, and then how to easily and quickly edit in Premiere Pro, which is the software that I use. Timestamps for each section are listed below, and let's get started. So the equipment I use is this clamp phone holder. I experimented with several different ones before landing on this, and so far it's my favorite. I also got another version which has an LED light for when you are painting in the evening. So far, these have worked really well for me. I've been able to shoot time-lapse videos in the evenings using the LED light, and it's a lot easier to draw without worrying about where the phone is located. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about what is the best way to shoot on your phone. So for this, it's really useful before you get started to really think about what you are creating the video for. So are you creating this time lapse to go on YouTube? Is it going to be part of your Instagram story or a post? Or is it going to go on TikTok? You can determine the size of the video based on that. And I've linked a reference table down below to help you with this. So I normally just use the standard video camera that comes along with my smartphone. But there is also a really nice software available called Filmic Pro, which you can use to get more professional quality footage. Now, once you have finished painting, you can either upload the video to your computer via email, or if you save it to an SD card like I do, you can connect it to the computer and upload it that way. The first thing we are going to do when we start editing is to create a simple file structure. I create 3 folders: raw, process, and final. I save my files into the raw folder and then open Premiere Pro and save that file into the process folder. The first thing that I'm going to do when I open up Premiere Pro is import my video footage into the program. To do this, I am going to right-click and select Import, and then I will import the footage from the raw folder into this left lower hand panel here. Then, once the files are imported, I am going to Control-click both of them, right-click, and create a sequence. This sequence will show up in the timeline. Then, once the files are showing in the timeline, I'm going to right-click and select Speed Duration and increase the speed to 1000 or whatever amount you might be interested in. So after I do this, you'll notice that the sequence becomes significantly shorter than it was originally. So once you have these together, you can just play it, make sure that it plays clean. Once we are done, we can export this to the final folder. To do that, we first click on File and then click on Export and go to Media. And then choose the final folder and change the name and make sure the setting is set to the appropriate file type, as you'll see me doing here, which is good for YouTube and social media. That's the process for creating time lapses for your beautiful art projects. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe.